received the sad news that Tino's father, FERETI, FAASUAMALEAUI, had passed away. Now, FERETI had been battling an illness for a period of time, which Tino spoke about publicly earlier this week. He's, like many fathers, FERETI was and always will be an inspiration and a hero for Tino. On behalf of myself, this footy team and the state of Queensland, our love and condolences go to the FAASUAMALEAUI family. In particular, FERETI's wife Diane, his daughter Olivia, and his sons Isaac and Tino. Although Tino has already indicated to myself that his wishes are to play on Wednesday night, I think we can all appreciate the importance of Tino to be with his family right now, and that will be his priority, and he'll be given every bit of time that he needs with his family.